1. Nature is very beautiful. 2. Nature is made up of our environment. 3. It gives us a lot of things. 4. Nature provides us peace of mind and heart. 5. Nature provides us with all the material that is required for our survival. 6. Life is not possible without nature. 7. It is very important to stay close to Mother Nature. 8. Nature provides us with food and shelter. 9. The beauty of nature provides us relief from the worries of life. 10. We should plant trees to save nature.